Welcome to Cooking with Gringo, where it's Copycat Monday. Why pay a lot for little when you spend little and make a lot? Today we're going to make Copycat Bush's Country Style baked beans. To a container with a lid, we're going to add 3 tablespoons of salt, 3 quarts of water, 1 tablespoon of Kitchen Bouquet browning and seasoning sauce. And then 1 pound of dried white beans. We're going to cover that and we're going to let it soak for 12 to 14 hours. In a large saucepan over medium-high heat, we're going to add 6 cups of water and 3 tablespoons of cornstarch. I'm going to whisk that in. Then we're going to add in 1 tablespoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of the Kitchen Bouquet seasoning and browning sauce, 3/4 teaspoon of onion powder, 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder, and 1 tablespoon plus 2 teaspoons of mustard. We're going to make sure that mustard's all nice and broken up. And we're going to bring this to a boil. We're going to add in 1 cup of dark brown sugar, and we're going to add in 3 ounces of salt pork, and we're going to add those beans that we soaked overnight. Now we're going to bring this back to a boil. Once it starts to boil, we're going to reduce heat and simmer for 15 minutes. Now we're going to turn off the heat and we're going to let it cool down for 5 minutes. Now we'll let it cool down for about 5 minutes. We're going to add in 2 teaspoons of white vinegar, 3/4 teaspoon of hickory liquid smoke. We're going to stir that together. And then we're going to add that to a baking dish. If you have one that's got a lid, great. If not, you can cover it with aluminum foil. We're going to cover it. We're going to cook it in an oven preheated at 350 degrees. We're going to cook it for 2.5 hours. We're going to stir it occasionally. After 2 hours, we're going to take the lid off and we're going to bake it for another 1.5 hours without the lid. After 1.5 hours of it cooking, we're going to put the lid back on and let it sit for 20 minutes. Now after 20 minutes, there ain't nothing left to do but to eat. And now it's time to dig in. Bon appetit. The amount of time it took to make them, I make them again. They're very good. Remember to like, subscribe, and comment. Thanks for watching.